Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can speed up your slow Windows 11 PC. If your Windows 11 PC feels slow lately, then these are some things you can try to make it feel less slow. So first of all, open your laptop and log into your account. Now go to your taskbar, right click on it and open Task Manager. From here, you can disable any unnecessary startup apps. To do so, right click and click on End Task, which will disable it. You can also clean up storage and temporary files. Click on Windows and click on Settings. From here, go to System and click on Storage. Now you can remove any unnecessary files or apps from here, and you shall also restart your PC regularly, and then you can also adjust Windows for better performance system settings, and that's it. Your Windows 11 PC should feel faster. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.